calculate the sample standard deviation and the population standard deviation of the data shown using your calculator. Round to 2 decimal places. All right, so to get the sample standard deviation and the population standard deviation, there is an easy way of doing that in the calculator all at once. What we need to do first is put our data into a list. So if you hit Stat, come over to, just to edit here to get into the list editor so that we can put our data in. The list editor works much like a spreadsheet. Just type your data in one at a time into a list. All right, now to get the sample and the population standard deviation, what we will do is take advantage of a function called oneVarstats. So if you press Stat, slide over to Calc, the first item, single variable statistics, is what that means. Press Enter. If you get a menu like this, that's great. You can hit second and 1 to make sure L1 is your data list. Make sure L2 is clear because we don't have any items in that list. If you didn't see this menu, then you can just type second and 1, and that will put the list L1 to the function oneVarstats. Either way is fine, but press Enter to calculate, and we get the sample standard deviation, which appears as SX in the calculator. The symbol generally for a sample standard deviation is lowercase s, but in the calculator it comes up SX, and that is 4.57. Then the population standard deviation is the sigma x. And the symbol there generally is just lowercase sigma, but in the calculator that's what it looks like. So that's 4.23.